Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question First 8. In how many ways can 3 seats be occupied if 5 people are willing to sit? Now, this is a permutation that requires what? Arrangement. Now, in how many ways can 3 seats be occupied by 5 people willing to sit? That is, we know that n permutation r is equals to n factorial all over n minus r factorial. Now, 5 people are willing to sit on 3 seats, so that is 5 permutation r. So how would these 5 people be arranged on these 3 seats? So 5 permutation 3, and that is 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 factorial. Now this is equals to 5 multiplied by 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 5 minus 3 will give us 2. That's 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1. Now 2 times 1, we cancel this 2 times 1 here, so we are left with 5 times 4 times 3, and that is equals to 60, which is option C. So 5 people can occupy 3 seats in what? In 5 ways. In 60 ways. So the answer to this question is option C. Thank you, and you should subscribe to our channel for more videos in past questions.